Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study the remaining topic of distinguishing species. You remember we studied members of a species can breed with each other and produce offspring that are able to breed. Normally, members of the same species can use each other for reproducing. But a member of a species can also use the member of other species for the reproduction process. That's why it's written here in your book. Members of different species can't usually breed with each other. But there are exceptions. Let's take the example of a mule who is born from a male horse and a female donkey. Or you can also say that mule is the baby having a horse as the father and donkey as the mother. Your book quotes an example of a liger. A liger is a baby having the lion as the father and tiger as the mother. So such type of species that are produced by the combination of two different species is called hybrid species. That's why it's written here in your book. A liger is a hybrid. A liger is the offspring of a male lion and a female tiger. Its parents are from different species, so the liger is a hybrid. What is hybrid? Hybrid is the combination of two different breeds. Hybrids are not able to reproduce themselves. That's why it's written here in your book. Hybrids are usually infertile. They can't produce offspring of their own. Do you know the meaning of infertile? Infertile means those who are not able to produce young ones. Breeding experimentation takes a lot of time because the formation of living thing is always time taken and Most of the times, members of different species do not cooperate for the reproduction process. That's why it's written here in your book. Unfortunately, breeding experimentation take a long time and animals don't always cooperate. So decisions about species can be difficult.